Did you know that great films start with a great script? A lot of filmmakers want to skip this important phase in filmmaking and just want to start filming. But if you want to make award-winning films, good story, structure and preparation are key ingredients. Hi, I'm Irenej Bosnjak, but everybody calls me Ire. And I'm an award-winning filmmaker and founder of IRE Studios. I've been professionally working in film and TV industry for more than 10 years. And before that, I learned everything by trial and error, by watching tutorials and behind-the-scenes videos, reading filmmaking books and working on zero-budget passion projects. I advanced my filmmaking skills at university and have an MA degree in film directing and BA in film and audio production. That means I know what you need to learn and how to level up your skills without all the unnecessary clutter they teach at some film schools and with the laser focus and guidance that you can't find online with free content. Not to mention, you'll only pay a fraction of what you would pay if attending a traditional film school. You learn everything from how to analyze films, how to get and shape ideas, how to write a script, and how to battle creative blocks. In the end, you'll have a complete package for your project. In addition, there are exercises in the course and you'll be able to quickly test out your new knowledge. Don't use my words for it. Miss Ines said, "It was a great introduction to filmmaking world for a total beginner. Definitely very useful knowledge, which was taught in a fine, clear and comprehensive way." Dr. Kaya Antley said, "Even if I may never become a film director in a traditional sense, this course equipped me with skills and knowledge to better understand the screenwriting and directing processes that could be implemented in immersive experiences as well." Join other student filmmakers who successfully completed the course and are now implementing new knowledge to their work. Enroll now and advance your filmmaking skills to an award-winning filmmaker. And action!